Hello, hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. If this is your first time here, I am a full-time mom, nurse, and a part-time reseller. So I made my channel to help you learn items to look out for when you're out thrifting and garage sailing. So hopefully you can increase your income, or if you're just getting started, you'll know what to look for when you are outsourcing. So today we have almost $1,200 going out on eBay and $60 from Mercari. That is from Friday afternoon into Monday morning. So 2.5 days or so. So there's a really great mix of stuff, and I'm going to show you it all. Be right back. All right, guys, so there was a lot of good stuff that is going out. Let me show you what's sold. So first up, we have this vintage Los Angeles Raiders tag. This I did get in actually, I think my husband found this at a garage sale for $1. And it sold for $13.16 plus shipping. So to me, buyers $21.41 all in. This is going international. Still surprises me what people will pay to go international. So vintage license plates always do. My husband's making face. Vintage license plates always do really well. So keep an eye out for them. This next one is probably the best sale that I had all weekend. This is a cross-stitch belt. You can see there it is Florida State. And I'm going to show you guys the mark because this is a definite bolo. So this is Smathers and Branson. It is hand-stitched needlepoint. This is a size 38. So I got this in a lot of sports items. They have these for different sports teams, and I think they do some other stuff too. But all of their belts tend to sell at or more than $100. I had that one for about 3 months, and it sold for $97. So the buyer actually sent me an offer of $100, and then they sent me a message saying, "You sent me an offer of $94 last week. Would you consider countering me at $97? We'll meet in the middle." And I did just that. So buyer paid $97 plus shipping. They are $111.30 in on that belt. Up next are some jeans from my QVC palette. These are, I think they're Kim Gravel, Bell by Kim Gravel. There is that. Get it where you guys can see it. Bell by Kim Gravel. If you can find, and they have little studs on them. If you find these at garage sales, they aren't too bad of a pickup. Buyer paid $16.19 plus shipping. They are $24.59 all in. My cost was $5 into those, so excuse me, about $11 in profit on those. And then up next we have another pair. This is with all of the these are black. Label is going to look the same, and those other ones were 12. These are size 18. Same profit, about $10 to $12. And you'll notice some of this QVC jeans are starting to move. I'm slowly lowering the price on those, as well as bedding, just trying to make some room. So those buyers $25.26 all in. And then up next we have 5 bottles of nasal mist, and I will pop up the link to where I bought the nasal mist just for some of you new viewers. So I have 40 cents in. Buyer paid $20. Shipping will be about $8, so it'll be about a $10 profit. And then I am going to show you a couple of these, and then I'm just going to tell you guys what these sold for, because it's not the exact model you want to look out for, it's any of these. So we have, and I showed you guys a few videos ago, we do have all of the CPAP stuff coming up. So let's see, there is that one. And then this one is a water tank. Any of the stuff that looks like this, and you want to look really close and make sure it does not say RX. These do not. These anybody can get at a medical supply company, so you can list them on eBay. They say RX, which some of them do. You cannot sell them. So watch out for those though, because they sell good and they sell really fast. So we just listed, and we still have some more to list. So these two, it was 2 models. The buyer actually bought 3 of them. They paid $51.81 plus shipping. They are going international. Buyer to me is $56.56 all in, and then they had to pay for the international shipping. And then we had another one. It was actually the headgear for a CPAP, same thing, not prescription. That one sold for $35.99. I did pay about $270 for all of my CPAPs that I just got at the medical auction. I didn't calculate how much I'm in individually, but I think just with these sales that we're going to go over today, I probably do already have my money back. So the water tank, or the headgear, sold for $35.99. And then we have another CPAP mask that sold for $20.99. And I did do free shipping on most of these because almost all of them were listed like that. They are all light enough to go first class, so they'll cost about $5. And then up next we have another pair of the Chem Gravel jeans. These sold for $16.19 plus shipping as well, so that's another 10 to 12 in profit. We have 5 more of the nasal mist going out at $18. And then we have, let's see, 3 more of the paint going out. And then we've got 2 pair of the Soma panties going out. I have not pulled those yet. Those sold for $14. And then this is a Martha Stewart quilted king blanket. This one did come off of a Macy's pallet. You see these, I think they would sell used as long as you have the tag that says Martha Stewart. This one sold for $48.56 plus shipping. Buyer is $65.66 all in. And then we have 5 more bottles of nasal mist going out for $18. And where did I put it? This is really pretty. I got this at the auction. I think this was in my suitcase that I unboxed. I have less than $1 in. It is Mikasa Cocoa Blossom. It is a 13 by 8 platter. So $1 in, and the buyer paid $37.99 plus shipping. They are $58.12 in. So if you see platters out there, especially if they're named, you can look them up. Definitely grab them. And then we sold 3 more bottles of nasal mist for $14.57. 2 sets of 5 for $41.08. And then, so this is the last one I have. This is a knife. I'll show you there. So it is Calphalon. There we go, full forge. This is an 8-inch bread knife. I bought a Calphalon set. Watch out for them. I bought it with the knife block and all kinds of different knives. And I paid $10 just for the set. At Goodwill it was $9.99. And then I have sold them off piece by piece. I probably made over $100 by piecing them out. That knife sold for $8.05 plus shipping. Buyers $15.88 all in. Some of the knife sets, you're gonna be better to sell them together, and then other ones, piecing them out is gonna make you more money. So just look up what's sold and just see how people are selling them. And then we have this FSU Seminoles. This is actually a magnet for the car. This I got in a sports lot. I think I actually got this in the same lot I got the belt in. And this one sold for $10 plus shipping. Buyer is $15.30 all in. And we have 3 more of the nasal masks, the CPAP mask, going out for $20.99 plus shipping. I looked, and if I could charge shipping, I did, but if everybody else had free shipping, that's what I went with. You kind of got to go with what the market's doing if you want to make sales. Then we have 3 more bottles of nasal mist going out for $14.57. We have another, this is a water tank. I showed you guys. This is just for the replacement for the CPAP. That one sold for $18.60 plus shipping. And then we sold 3 more bottles of nasal mist for $13. And this is actually the last box of the Orton Biometric Comb. These are for the kiln when they fire the ceramics. This one sold for $11.33. Free shipping, that is going out, and that's the last of it. We're actually almost out of the paints as well. And then we have 2 cases of nasal mist going out for $97.18. My cost into each is about $2, so cost is $4. Shipping will be about $25, so that will leave us a little over a $50 profit on those. And then these I actually picked up at Goodwill the last time that I went. This is Monsters University. These are a little book. They normally have figures, but I am missing the figures, and I did put that in my listing. And it does have a new playmat. So it still has the playmat, it's just missing the figures. That one sold for $5 plus shipping. I paid $1 for that at Goodwill. And then we have another case of nasal mist going out for $40. And then we have another face mask going out for $20.99. We have the ceramic paint going out. I think I already showed you. I might not have grabbed 2 lots. 5 more bottles of nasal mist. And then we have, this was in my camera unboxing, this lens. I think it's actually a little slide viewer that you just put the slide in there. And it is bakelite, so that's probably why it sold. Sold for $7 plus shipping. Buyer is $16.26 all in. And then we have 2 more nasal pillows for the CPAP going out for $10. Another water chamber going out for $18.60. And then we have these Harley Davidson. These are men's boots. They are small size though. They're size 8. They look pretty good on the bottom there if you see. And I got these for free from my friend Pepper, and they sold for $25.19 plus shipping. The buyer is $42.06 all in. And then I sold this mug or beer sign. This is a Avon one with the moose on it there and some rams. And I paid about $1 for this. Sold for $8.09 plus shipping. Buyer is $20.51 all in. And then we sold another case of nasal mist. So with all the individuals plus the cases, we have about 6 cases going out of nasal mist today. And then up last is this plate. The buyer actually was mad because of how much shipping was, but the shipping was displayed, so I don't know how this is gonna go. But the buyer paid $5 for the plate, and with shipping it was, I think, like $16. So they weren't happy with the shipping, but the plates are over a pound. They do have to go into a number 7 box. And then, like for these, we have 4x4x6 boxes that they'll go in. If the nasal masks have hard sides, or if they're going international, then we do put them into box. But if they're all soft, we will put them into a padded envelope. And then I skipped over this one because I didn't have it, but I did sell this PlayStation 2 F1 Career Challenge game. This one sold for $8.99 plus shipping. Buyer is $13.74 all in. I paid $2 for these at a local Facebook Marketplace pickup not very long ago. I forgot Mercari, so we did sell this Star Wars for $22. This is Force Link 2.0. We got this on a pallet a long time ago, and it just sold. And then I also sold for, these are Breezy's panties. I haven't sold any of these until these four, and these four sold for $40 plus shipping on Mercari. And yeah, I think that is everything. Definitely keep an eye out for the CPAP accessories as long as they don't have RX on them. And also keep an eye out for really nice belts. Smathers and Branson is the brand that I sold today, but there are a lot of other brands of belts that sell really high. So check your belts when you're out looking. And I think that will finish up for us today. I look forward to seeing you guys next time, and I hope you're having a great week. All right, guys, so here are our numbers for the weekend. We had $1,084.65 in sales. Our fees were $134.17. Cost of goods were $95.44. Shipping was $260.34. So our profit was $594.70, which is 55%. I try and stay above 50%, so that we did. And then down here for Mercari, we have 64 in sales, $5 cost of goods, and $6.40 in fees. Profit is $52.60 or 82%. Mercari, I don't take out shipping because I use their labels, so that does not come out of my fees. So yeah, not too bad overall, and I appreciate you guys watching. Okay, move it. Are you moving it? Take it to where we pack.